Hello and welcome. In this video we bring to you Cottage House 320. This is a gorgeous bamboo cottage designed using two 20-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome back. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Design concept. This cottage is designed using two 20-foot shipping containers to create a 320 plus square foot cottage space. The containers are placed parallel to each other lengthwise to form a compact accommodation cabin ideal for a guest house or a holiday cabin that you can comfortably drop in your backyard and list it on Airbnb to earn some extra income. What are the salient features we've managed to accommodate in this gorgeous container cabin? We have a frontal entrance porch which also acts as an outdoor sitting cum dining space to complement the indoor living space of this amazing cottage. The original container cargo doors are removed and replaced with full-height sliding doors which acts as full access to the cottage from the entrance porch. In this open-plan living space, we've managed to accommodate a cozy lounge space fitted with a sofa bed that can be used as a seat during the day and converted into a bed space during the night to provide the second bedroom. We also have a single-walled kitchen with adequate overhead storage space. On the private part of the cottage, we have a full bedroom with adequate wardrobe storage. We also have a full bathroom with an enclosed shower cubicle. We have a small laundry space that can fit a washer and a dryer machine. We also have a small mechanical room to take care of air conditioning and other related services. If you live in the cold climate areas, you are able to fit a small fireplace in the open plan living space to keep you warm during cold weather. When it comes to the foundation design, we've managed to use a raft foundation in this particular arrangement. We've done a video covering the types of shipping container foundations you can use for your projects, so feel free to check them out for more understanding. On the structure and modifications, we've tried to minimize the modifications on our shipping containers as much as possible. The only place we've managed to remove a considerable amount of internal walls is on the open plan living space, and therefore it will require additional steel reinforcement for structural stability. Otherwise, the size of windows and doors used throughout the structure are optimal in size and they would need any specialized modifications. When it comes to the outdoors and exterior design, this is where we've managed to give the character of our cottage, which gives its name the bamboo cottage. We've used bamboo to clad the entire structure, which hides the original corrugated steel walling of the shipping containers, and therefore if you look at it from outside, it would be very difficult to tell this cabin is made from shipping containers. We've done a comprehensive video on the different types of exterior cladding and finishes you can use on a shipping container project, so feel free to check out the video for more understanding. When it comes to furniture and interior design, you are encouraged to observe minimalist interiors as much as possible to help you avoid cluttering your space with unnecessary furniture. You are also encouraged to use light colored finishes for your walls and also for your ceiling to make the space look brighter, bigger, and spacious. You still need to insulate your shipping container cottage because shipping containers are made of cotton steel and they're good in conducting heat. So if you don't control the indoor temperature, the containers would be freezing in winter and hot like an oven in summer. So you need to use good insulation materials. If you live in the cold climates, you can use spray foam insulation. And if you live in the tropics, the biggest challenge is to get rid of heat from your shipping container cottage. If you like this design and would want to fabricate one as a DIY project, or you want to give it to your builder to fabricate it for you, you can purchase blueprints for this design from our website sheltermode.com. You can also get in touch with us through our social media pages through the links in the description below. If you need further clarifications or you have any questions, feel free to contact us through email using info@sheltermode.com. Do you like how we've managed to disguise this shipping container cabin by using the bamboo cladding on the exterior? Kindly let us know what you think by posting in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.